Welcome. This channel is about helping you make money online. The promise of making more money than you can imagine is totally true. You can make a comfortable extra income and even fire your boss. All you need to do is to learn how, so let us help. Internet Marketer Training by George Pierce proudly presents.
Hi and welcome. This video is about how to add or change the video on your home page or home tab on YouTube. It is easy, as you are about to see, and it will take less than a minute, so let's begin. To get to your home tab, go to YouTube, then click on your channel icon at the top right of your page, then click on your channel. You will be taken to your YouTube homepage. Now click on Customize Channel. Next click on Home tab. Whether you have a video or not, click on the three dots to the right, then click on Add or Change. Select your video, hit Publish and then View. That is it. Well done.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.